Good morning, students. Today we study about the ecological pyramids. There is some sort of relationship exists between number, biomass, and energy contents of the primary producers, consumers of first order, second order, and so on, to top consumers in any ecosystem. These relations are represented in diagrammatic ways and called as ecological pyramids. The ecological pyramids are of the three types: pyramids of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. The shape of the pyramid of biomass and pyramid of number may be upright or inverted or any other shape, but the shape of pyramid of energy is always upright. Then the first one, pyramid of numbers. This deals with the relationship between number of primary producers and the subsequent structures. These base are represented by number of ecosystems of successive levels. The top represents the number of top carnivores in an ecosystem. In grassland and aquatic ecosystem, the pyramid it is always upright or straight. In the grass level and cropland ecosystem, the number of grasses, weeds, and number of crop plants are very large in number. In crop field are usually, and the green plants are less in number. The number of frogs lesser than the number of grasshopper. Number of carnivores are less in number in series of organisms forming food chain. The number of producers to consumers shows upright pyramids of number. This shows the upright pyramid of number. But there may be instances the trend of decreasing number may not be true, as in tree ecosystem, where the number of primary producer is less than herbivores, means birds feeding upon the tree fruits. The number of parasites, bugs and lice living and feeding upon birds' body is still higher. Depending upon the size and biomass, the pyramid of number may not be always straight. It may be completely inverted pyramid shape. While in aquatic ecosystem also, there are large number of algae, aquatic plants, diatoms and phytoplanktons present. As compared to that, the herbivores are zooplankton and smaller insects, while on zooplankton feed by small fishes and they are also feeded by large fishes. In this manner, in the aquatic ecosystem, it is also upright pyramid. Then the second one, that is pyramid of biomass. It is also upright or straight or inverted or of any other shape. Here also, in terrestrial ecosystem, the pyramid is terrestrial as well as marine ecosystem. Pyramid is always straight or upright. At the base of pyramid, there are, in terrestrial ecosystem, there are number of trees, and on trees they feed upon different herbivores, birds, cow, buffalo, goat, etc. And they are again fed by animals of primary level, primary consumer, and then the primary consumers are also fed of the consumer of secondary and later on tertiary order. In marine ecosystem, it is the ocean occupies the near about 70% of Earth. Thereby, the number of phytoplanktons are present. They are fed by zooplanktons. They are again fed by small fishes, worms, and these are again fed by the large fishes. This is also a upright pyramid. In this case also the pyramids are inverted. Example is the biomass of the phytoplankton, as in they are more in number but they are smaller in biomass. The biomass of the fishes are small insects which feed upon the phytoplankton. Their biomass is bigger as compared to biomass of producer, and the biomass of the top carnivores, they are also large as compared to other two, that is primary consumer and producer. In this way there is also a inverted pyramid. Then the pyramid of energy. As against the pyramid of number and biomass, the pyramid of energy is always upright, because in this the time factor is always upright. The pyramid of energy represents the total quantity of energy utilized by different level of organism in unique area over a set period of time, usually trophic square meter year. In terrestrial ecosystem, the quantity of energy trapped by green plant on the area over a period of 1 year is highest among organisms of different trophic level, and therefore base of pyramid is broad. In aquatic ecosystem also, population of phytoplankton quickly complete their life cycle, and sets of new generations or phytoplankton every few years or days. The cumulative energy contains that these generations after generations trap encounter of mere in certainly more than that of generations of herbivore fishes from in corresponding time and space. The energy few content of top carnivores utilize and 1 year is base. Therefore, the pyramid of energy can never be of any other shape except upright pyramid. In the event of destruction of primary producers or organisms of any trophic level, the organisms of next higher is trophic level will automatically die for want of food. Ultimately, the upright pyramidal shape is maintained in all the ecosystems. In pyramid of energy, the producers trap solar energy from the sun and it is get converted into chemical energy in large amount, and this is passes to the herbivore, that is primary consumer. Means all the energy is not trapped by the producer, but some of it get lost through respiration processes. Then from primary consumer to the secondary and then tertiary and then the top carnivores, there is a reduction of energy from each trophic level, means that is from producer to consumer of first order, then second order, then tertiary order. In this manner, that's why the pyramid of energy is always straight. This is all about the ecological pyramids. Thank you.